right there, it looks like. We'll check the mating, but it mounts the same spot, mounts the same way. Yep. So it looks like the clutch cable will fit right. Let's see if that one sits up.
Because it's even closer.
Yeah, we might have a problem here. The clutch sits up here. It's going to run right into your turbo, your wastegate tube. Let's see some measurements here. Let's see what we got for measurements. Maybe not. 2 1/4 high. Pinch your head. You're good there. 2 1/4 high. Looks like it's there.
That's the clutch slave cylinder.
Yep. To get them out of the way while we still keep working here.
For the pull style.
I'm probably in the middle of next week. If you get down to me sooner the better, but yeah, I'm going middle of next week at the moment.
It's just a pin to hold the linkage together.
Roll pin.
Uh huh. That has to go in the new one.
This is gonna go, yeah, it's gonna go back up in here. I should get away so the transmission comes straight back. Gotta come back about 2.5 inches before I can get to come down a little bit. It's stuck between
This one right here, and then
yeah, there's
this one right here.
Right over here, yeah. Yeah, we'll have to get torch on my heat up a little bit here. Give him a move. Oh, come on.
What does that give you access to?
That's the roll pin. It's a huge pin that goes through there that the clutch pivot's on in this style.
Okay.
Not a ball like that, it's the new style.
Okay.
So they want you to pull that whole pin out, then pull the clutch fork free.
And we have clearance to go out with it?
Yeah, once the, just lift the clutch fork up enough to release from the throw-up bearing. Put it there. Give me a 6mm bolt. It's gone. It's boom. Alright. Bring it down. How am I looking in front there for clearance?
Clear.
All the way clear?
Clear.
Put these on here, that's why she has to release. If you don't yank hard enough, you pull them right out of the teeth.
Hell of a design.
Is that leaking?
Yeah.
What is that?
That's your oil.
Line from the turbo?
Yep. I can see those clamps have loosened up, but yeah, that is the oil line. That's the return line, the dump line.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna better look at that here in a second.
Old clutch.
Alright. I got some heat in her. Oh yeah.
What does that mean?
Usually heat is the power you have in your engine versus a stock flywheel.
So
Flipping creates the hot spots.
okay.
Yeah, normally if we use this, we'd shave it. Kind of feel the
What are you feeling for?
little rises up and down.
Oh, the surface changes. Yeah, I can feel that. Yeah.
That's yeah. You have any clutch chatter at all, or anything weird like that when you're?
No, not yet.
Maybe that's just the amount of power you're doing versus the stock motors to the stock flywheels. So,
Okay.
yeah.
We take the spare one. They find that ibuprofen?
Yeah. Come on, line up.
Come on, needle nose.
Landed in my pocket. That's a good sign. All right.
Christ, drive to the fucking UP. Good God. Can't find it in your backyard.
Beautiful.
Put some mileage on this training. Hold out.
No, shaft in the pass. Go back a little bit.